Hello and welcome everyone to Shanvi Study Circle, the only place where you'll get all the B.Ed lesson plans and micro teaching plans. So today's subject is English grammar and the topic is gender. So this is our main page of the lesson plan, where first we fill the entries, like we have date here and subject. Then comes a period, class, whatever class we are teaching, the topic, don't forget to underline the topic. Then comes the duration. Next we have general objectives. So general objectives are based on the subject. जनरल ऑब्जेक्टिव जो होते हैं वो हमारे सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड होते हैं, यानी कि इंग्लिश से रिलेटेड होंगे, ग्रामर से. एंड द स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आर बेस्ड ऑन अ टॉपिक, जो कि है हमारा जेंडर, उस पे बेस्ड होंगे. ठीक है. स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आर थ्री types of specific objectives are written in this plan. First we have knowledge, second we have affective and psychomotor. Next comes the material aids. So whatever the classroom material, teaching aids and material aids we are using while teaching, we have to mention them here. Next comes the previous knowledge. So as we are teaching gender, so we should have knowledge, the student should have knowledge about noun and pronoun, so this should be mentioned here. Next comes the introductory questions. So as you can see, there are two columns made in this section: pupil teacher activity and student activity. So in this, the questions in pupil teacher activity section, questions are asked by the pupil teacher, and in students activity section, the answers that are given by the students are written here. And the last question, don't forget that the last question should be problematic type. Next we have statement of aim. So the pupil teacher will make the statement of aim that today we'll discuss about the particular topic. Next comes the presentation part, where we have first teaching point as gender. Pupil teacher will present some sentences for the understanding of concept of gender and ask questions on the basis of that sentences. So as you can see, there's 5 to 6, you can present 5 to 6 sentences for the understanding the concept. And next comes the analysis part. So whatever the sentences you have written previously, you will analyze each of the sentences one by one by asking 2-3 questions on each of the, at least 3 questions on each of the sentence. Next comes the generalization part. So we can write at least 4 to 5 words on the blackboard and ask the children that what is the similarity between these words. The students will be able to tell that they are of different gender, and then you will ask for the definition of gender. And in pupil teacher activity, you will write the definition of the gender and the kinds. Next comes the instruction and supervision, where the pupil teacher will instruct the students to copy down the blackboard summary or blackboard work on in their notebooks, and he himself will supervise the class. At that time, the students will note down the blackboard work in their copies. These kinds of gender can also be mentioned in the blackboard work here. Next we have practice questions. And evaluation questions. And finally you come to home assignment. So there are two homeworks should be given. First one should be theory based and the second should be activity based. Thanks for watching this video, and like and subscribe for more plans.